topic is Jallianwala Bagh and Hunter Commission. 13th April 1919 was marked as the most tragic date. This day was observed as the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, the deadliest situation in Indian history, which took place in Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar. 25,000 people came together in the evening on 13th April and conducted a protest against laws imposed by Britishers. The laws, like roll attack, created social unrest between Indians. Estimates of those killed vary from 379 to 1,500 or more people, and over 1,200 other people were injured, of whom 192 were seriously injured. The Jallianwala Bagh could only be existed on one side, as its other three sides were enclosed by building. Thank you, friends.